Hashtag Jana forever. Jeremy too tall, blocking everything. There's Andre. What's up, DIY babes, and happy weekly vlog. So, oh my god, like this weekend is possibly one of the weirdest slash craziest slash most random internet weekends I've ever had in my entire life. So it is currently Friday today. You're watching this on Wednesday, so this is 4 days prior, 5, math. Today's Friday, tomorrow is Saturday and the Challenger Games. So we're heading over to Long Beach tomorrow to compete in the charity track and field meet. And then Sunday, we're flying to Vegas to go to the Jana wedding. So I'm currently getting fitted for an outfit for the Jana wedding. And the invitation said formal, but I feel like with a Jana wedding, that doesn't actually mean formal. I don't really know. We're not entirely sure what that means, so we're trying on a few different things. This is option number 2, which is real cute. I also feel like I never wear dresses that are all the way down to the knees, but this one is cute. Ooh, okay, this one cute. This one might be a little too boobalicious. I don't even have boobs and it's making me look a little boobalicious, but I also kind of feel like I'm about to be on like Dancing with the Stars, but it's cute. I feel like this is what I mean by like, this would not be appropriate to wear to a normal wedding, but to a Jana wedding, I'm kind of down. Okay, I think this is the one. This is like, I feel like one of those glitter edits in real life. Like everyone's been photoshopping glitter on them and stuff, and there's like all those edit accounts. I feel like a glitter edit in real life. Okay, Jana wedding, Las Vegas, we're coming for you. Good morning, guys, and happy motherfucking race day! Okay, so here's the sports bra that we ended up going with. The one that I think most of you guys actually chose this one. It was like the stripey, like ombre-ish one. Oh god, I'm nervous. So I'm officially doing 100 meters, 100-meter relay with a team that I don't know yet, and long jump. I was actually really randomly good at triple jump when I was in like high school and elementary school and stuff, but long jump, we don't know her. So I'm gonna watch a few YouTube videos on how to long jump in the car on the way there. When you're watching this, there will have already been a recap video of all my training and the day. So that will have been uploaded on Sunday, so make sure to go check that out. I'm not gonna be vlogging too much right now. Moose away! So I'm actually going to leave the vlog camera at home, I think. I don't know, maybe I'll bring it just in case. I have makeup on right now because we're shooting, but like who knows if this will still be on in 5 hours when I'm running. Also, it's being live streamed to the entire world. Can't wait to fall on my face potentially in front of a ton of people that are watching. So that'll be good, can't wait for that. This will probably be it for the amount of track vlog. You'll have to go watch Sunday's video to see everything that went down. I have no idea what went down. You will have known while you're watching me not know when you're watching this? Okay, let's do it. Oh my gosh, just finished the Challenger Games. Okay, so the video on Sunday that's already live, I'll have the link down below if you want to go catch up on all my training that I did and the outcome if you haven't seen already. See you guys tomorrow. Literally, what is this weekend? So we just hopped on a super quick flight from LA over to Vegas for the wedding tonight. My legs are in so much pain today. This whole like not stretching before I ran my race yesterday because I got the time mixed up. Not my vibe. I am not feeling a-okay at all. So anyways, we just checked into the Cosmopolitan Hotel, which I've randomly been here for this work convention conference thingy, but I've never actually been to Vegas to have fun. So this is gonna be really exciting. I'm so stoked. Our hotel room is I'm gonna give you a little tour, show you the view because it's also really sweet. Also, Vegas, you are so hot and I don't understand how you guys survive here. Bedroom, super cute, super cute, super cute. Also, bathtub, what the heck? Cutest bathtub ever. It's like a little mini, oh, this is the shower. Oh, is this how you get in? How do you get in? This is just like direct access to the tub. That's probably not the right way to do it. But then it opens up into like a closet dressing room and then a couch seating room and then Muse? Muse? Is that you, Muse? That's not Muse. Muse would probably love this necklace. Oh, I miss Muse. Ooh, she fancy. Oh, you go in through this way. There's stairs there. That makes more sense. Okay, then let me show you guys the view. So pretty! Last time I stayed here, I had a view of just like nothing. But now I have the Eiffel Tower, the little sky wheel. There's apparently a show that happens in the fountain. I don't know what any of this stuff is because I've never really come here, but I'm so excited. Also, I'm surprised that like my camera is not fogging up from how freaking hot it is here. But the best part about Vegas, the only thing that I really know and appreciate from what I've done here is that I can stay indoors via little tunnels and stuff. So that's the move for lunch before we get ready. Oh my god, it's hot. I need to go back inside. Oh my god. Jana forever. I die. This is too good. It's so good. Makeup done, weave snatched, ponytail weave in. She's sticking to my neck. Holy crap, guys. This wedding is outside and it is so hot. Adeline, Megan, Andre are also here, which is so fun. They're not paying attention, but Yeah, not entirely sure if I'm gonna last for the entire ceremony outside because can you see the stick action here? She's sweaty. Not cute. Here's what she looks like. Hashtag Jana forever. Jeremy too tall, blocking everything. There's Andre. Hashtag Jana forever. Oh my gosh, literally everyone is fanning themselves, but honestly, what I would give to be in that pool right now. Oh my gosh, this is where the magic is about to happen. Hashtag Jana forever. Ooh, these rose petals, how romantic. Is this wrapping paper? I'm dead. Dose of roses. Wait, these bears are actually cute. I'm dead. Guys, it is so hot. I can't. I'm like kind of dying. Bless the setting spray. The makeup is kind of staying low-key. Also, I tracked on this fan, which has been a lifesaver. This truly just kind of feels like an LA party, which is super weird. LA party, but in Vegas heat, I think, is what this feels like. My face is melting off, truly. Thank you, Urban Decay setting spray. Okay, so sorry for all the close-up vlog shots. It's just so loud in here. So there are like maybe 50 seats for the actual wedding reception and probably like 500 people here. So heavily considering going to get dinner and then maybe meeting back up with the whole wedding situation later on. 8:30, your girl gotta eat. Okay, so this portrait on top of the house just like showed up out of nowhere. Just like artists just up there putting up some Jana art. Also, here's the status of this party slash wedding right now. Oh no. Oh no. This is how I felt when I got here. Those lanterns on the bottom of the pool, that's how I feel now. Oh my god, this terrain is everything. Goodbye, Jana house. It was real. Didn't have a seat, my feet are dying. Gonna go grab some dins. Love you. Oh my god, this is the most Vegas thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I had to get like $8 out of the ATM and they made me take out 100 and now I have almost so stupid. It's all just once and it makes my wallet so fat. Oh my gosh. Okay, so 100% missed the water show, but how pretty. So cute.
Quiet on set. Quiet on set. Take 4. Action.
Hi guys, so I am back in LA now after Vegas. So I thought that I would sit down with you guys and do a little bit of a Jana wedding recap because I had the honor of being a guest at the Jana wedding. In all honesty, it felt much more similar to more like an LA event than it did a wedding. But I commend Tana and Jake for doing something different than the conventional normal wedding that you might find yourself at when two people are getting married. But with that said, I had a pretty good time, an okay-ish time, an okay to pretty good time, somewhere in between there. Honestly, it was outdoors, which I was like super finger crossing, hoping it would not be. It was 115 degrees when we first got there, and so I had picked out an outfit when I got styled that would be cool, like cool temperature wise. I tried to pick an outfit that would be like okay for it being really, really hot, but was super hoping that it wasn't gonna be super, super hot. There wasn't a ton of food being passed around, and it started really, really late, so I'm just like a fragile human who doesn't do well in really hot temperatures, plus no food, plus only alcoholic beverages. So I had a few drinks when I got there, but then stopped because like it just would have ended poorly for me. So we kind of just stood around. My heels were really, really high. But I mean, the graffiti mansion looked sick. They had all of the Jana branding on it, which was pretty dope. Not exactly my Pinterest board for what I would like my wedding to look like, but I think it suited them. I think it was really, really cool. I think it was very Jana. And Tana did a bunch of outfit changes. She looked bomb. Like the dress that she walked down like the aisle in was really, really cool. It was super unconventional. It was like white and pink and I loved the dress. I only got a super quick shot for her because there was really only like seating for maybe 50 people in this like covered section, and so we were kind of just like standing around at like the bottom near like the pool outside of the spot. So yeah, dress was great. Fight broke out. Honestly though, like at a Jana wedding, like what do you expect? I feel like that's the level of drama that people are expecting, and they delivered. Let me know if you guys watched the live stream because I'm so curious to see like some recaps from that. So anyways, after Tana walked down the aisle, I'm gonna be completely honest, I was starving and it was like 10 p.m. We hadn't eaten dinner yet, so we dipped and got food, which was bomb, and then went out for the night. I didn't vlog that because it wasn't Jana related and we were just like having a good old time. It was Andre's birthday at midnight, so we went out to celebrate. So all in all, Vegas trip ended up being really, really fun. We were there for maybe 20 hours and it was a good time. I've never actually been to Vegas and like done Vegas. I've only been there for conventions and stuff, so it was really my first Vegas experience, and slept a couple hours that night before getting on the plane and coming home, and it was a lot of fun. So best wishes to the newlyweds. I think they're on their way to their honeymoon destination right now. Hope it goes well. Thank you for inviting us, and let's get on with the day. Wow, we got that studio lighting. What's up, guys? It's Tuesday today, and I am just taking some fun little photos for socials, for Instagram and stuff. If you're not following me already, it's at laurDIY. Also, I know that I'm super original and really creative, but I started a film account for all my disposable camera photos. There's like no filters, no editing. They just go right on up. So it's at DIY Disposables if you want to go follow that as well. But today we're just shooting some fun photos, like some matching colored backdrop to outfit photos, which is so cute. This dress is also freaking adorable. I've got really cute white booties on and a pink backdrop. This is so cute. Huge fan, huge fan. Also, I feel like a Southern belle right now with my hair like half up, half down with curls and like this frilly dress. So yeah, that's the plan for today, and insert photo shoot montage here. Much later now after the photo shoot, and I have an exciting announcement. You guys have been asking for more plushies for a very long time, and I am so excited to tell you that I have a limited edition Muse stuffy! Oh my gosh, guys, we went through so many different Muses of like getting his little cone head right, and his little paws, and his piggy ears, and even his little butthole. Look at the cute little butthole. And he's in a sploot position. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so cute. So the Moose plushie is gonna be launching on my birthday, August 11th, 3 p.m. PST, 6 p.m. EST. Mark your freaking calendars. Once they're gone forever. Same thing like the last plushies. I think we sold the last plushies out in like 18 minutes or something ridiculous. So yeah, Muse plushie for this year for my birthday. Literally, okay, wait, let me get you a better angle of the Muse plushie. Okay, he's got a cute little snoot and his smile and the ears, and this is the little tag that comes with it. And then we got paws. No, Muse. No, Muse. Hey, hey, no, 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 no. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Muse, look, it's you. Who's that? Is it you? No, hey, don't bite the Muse's nose. He's honestly been so weird. Hey, hey, no, no, stay back. You can't eat yourself. That's cannibalism. Stop. And by cannibalism, I meant auto-cannibalism, where you eat yourself. Anyways, I'm gonna have to protect this Moose because Moose thinks it's him or his toy so bad. He's being so crazy about it. I've been having to keep him in high places for a very long time while I've been keeping the secret. Also, right now, Bachelorette spoilers ahead, but Hannah just turned down Tyler's proposal, and I'm pissed. I'm pissed, y'all. Hannah, no! 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 No, Hannah! No, Jed! No, Jana! Oh, are they also Jana? Jana and Jed. Jana. Wow, it's the whole vlog about Jana's today. No! Tyler. Jed's a snake. And now we know. What a piece of trash. She just left his ass. So happy. But honestly, if I was Tyler, I don't know if I'd take her back. He was number 2 behind Jed. Piece of trash Jed. I don't know. This whole like second choice thing. If I was Tyler, okay, like yeah, maybe go on a date, but like to be not chosen over Jed, I don't know. He was such an obvious choice. But also, Kilo was hanging out with Tyler a couple weeks ago, and I am here for that. So like low-key, Tyler, live your best life. Be an Instagram influencer. Also, Gigi Hadid, follow Tyler on Instagram, and I live for that as well. Also, I'm so relieved that I can finally go back on Twitter and Instagram stories and not see spoilers. What a whirlwind. What a ride. What an emotional trip. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't seen last Sunday's video, I did the Challenger Games recap and all my training. I'm honestly still not 100% recovered, and that was 3.5 days ago. So we in rough shape over here. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday wine again. I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday wine again. I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday. I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sun DIY, and again on Wednesday for a weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you. I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets. DIY queen, yeah, you know what.